What's up, guys? Today is the 23rd, Sunday, and yes, we are posting 2 videos this week. So this is going to be a shock to the YouTube system. I know y'all are used to about 1 video a month, maybe a little less than that, but no more. We're going to start posting for real, start getting a good routine of posting 2 videos a week, 1 in the middle of the week and 1 just to recap how the week went, what we're learning, how the account's looking like. So yeah, pretty excited about that. Had a good weekend, went camping outdoors. That was fun. Slept in a tent with my friend, and the tent was maybe like a dwarf tent, about a half a person tent. And so we were keeping each other warm because we were pretty much on top of each other the whole night, which was very fun. Got to know him. I knew him pretty well already, and then I got to know him even better, which was good. Did have fun, and we had a good time out there, talked, just joked around, just hanging out with the boys, okay? Always good. Anyways, enough with the boys. Let's get into the trades. Okay, to the trades. So the first setup I saw, SPY and Triple Q were pulling back for the majority of the day, and then we seemed like we were bottoming out, and then we pulled back below this inflection point that we were bouncing off of on Triple Q and on SPY, and then we pushed above it, and we were coming back and retesting it. So I thought maybe we were getting ready to reverse to start going up, and I really liked risking off at this point. So I was looking to go long here, and I did like the risk to reward on the setup. So I got wicked out there. I got in a little early, and because of that, I set a tighter stop than I wish I would have. And I got wicked out. I just didn't give the play enough room to move around. I wasn't flexible enough, and so I got wicked out real quick, and then it started pushing up, and I got back in real quick. Because I still like this setup, I still like this play, and I didn't want to miss the move. So maybe a little FOMO, maybe a little revenge trading, but I still like the setup, I still like the move, and I didn't want to miss this move. So I got back in real quick. In the future, I need to wait patiently. I need to wait for those good entries, and then I need to set more lenient stops so that I don't get wicked out. Okay, I got stopped out there for a little win. It was nice, but this could have been and should have been a lot bigger. I had a plan. My price target on Triple Q was this previous high right here, and I got nervous. I'm trading with bigger size, starting to scale up my position, and that's psychology. It's affecting that. I get a little more nervous and anxious in the trade. So just going to take time trading bigger size. But I got nervous, I got anxious, I saw my profits and I didn't want to lose them, so I set tight stops and I didn't stick to my plan. And because I didn't stick to my plan, I missed a really good move. This kept going higher and higher. It hit my price target, could have had a very nice win. Then it kept going over and over my price target. So if I would have set stops when it hit my price target, like trailing stops, and allowing it to continue working for me, I could have had a super nice win. Need to be able to stick to plan. I'm also considering using the stop loss take profit tools. So with those, you just put in a stop, you put in a take profit for your contracts, your option contracts, and then you can just look away. And the play will continue moving, and when it hits your stop or hits your take profit point, it automatically fills you and you're out of the trade. So I may start doing that, and then not watching it and allowing the trade to work out, because there's often a lot of messiness in the trade. There's a lot of consolidation, a lot of ups and downs. I can get scared out during those things. So if I can just set a stop loss and take profit and then not watch the trade and allow it to work, that may be better for me. Okay, for the next setup, I saw we were pushing up, kept pushing up. We're testing this 453.50 level on SPY and this 377 level on Triple Q. We bounced off of it on both of these, and then we pulled below them and we popped back up and we were retesting these levels. So I liked getting short here, hoping that we could continue going in the downward direction and dumping, and then I could get a nice little short play here. got stopped out there really quick, tiny loss, only winning one contract there. And so because of that, I wasn't very emotional during the trade. Set a good stop, a more lenient stop, hit my stop. I thought I got in at a good entry here. I was happy with the entry. I was happy with the setup. It didn't go in my favor, but it was still a good trade. I stuck to plan, executed it well, and it just wasn't a winner, and that's fine. So now to review the account. The trades that we just went over were Friday's trades, and we missed a really good trade, and we were frustrated with that. But we didn't keep trading and overtrade. We just took one more trade, we lost it, and then we were okay, and we called it quits for the day. So we ended green, which was good. I was thankful for that. And look at the last 10 days. We are on a nice little green streak here, which I'm thankful for. We've had some days, like Wednesday. Wednesday was a trash fire. It was a dumpster fire. It was not great. We overtraded. We didn't stick to plan. We scaled up a little bit. Yeah, it could have been a lot worse for us. Thankfully, we ended up net even. We got one that went for us, but I was not happy with ending the day red. I was red. I hit my daily stop, but I didn't want to end it red. So I kept trading until we got to net even, and then I just called it quits. I was very emotional. I just know that I didn't earn that green day. I didn't earn this break-even day. This shouldn't have been green. It is, so I'm thankful for it, but I don't feel good about this day. However, we got a green day. We're happy with it, and we got 10 green days in a row, so that's been going good. We're still inching our way up. We know a red day is coming. It happens. The red days are going to come, but I'm getting prepared for them. I'm getting ready for them. And yeah, we've been trading pretty good, so I'm thankful for that. We're up $261 now on the account. Our average win-loss is 2.7. Daily win percentage is nearly 78%. Pretty cool. Profit factor is 1.4. Still needs some work, but we're working on it. And our trade win percentage is about 1 out of 3. 34%. So we're trying to get better at this too. Now to review the notes for the day. Okay, mistakes. So the big mistakes were on Wednesday and Friday. Wednesday, we overtraded. We took setups that weren't great, and then we revenge traded. We got stopped out. We really wanted the trade to work. We forced trades. We got back in real quick, and then those got stopped out, and it was just our mindset. My mindset was really bad. So Wednesday was really not a great day. Friday was okay. Still wasn't great, though. Waited for good setups. We got a good setup. We set a tight stop, and we didn't get a good entry. So we got stopped out, then we got back in full size, and we got nervous. Got a little nervous, and we got out way early, didn't stick to plan, and because of that, we missed a really good move. Now, when I missed the move and realized what I missed, I was very frustrated and angry with myself, and so I was just emotional, and it just wasn't great. But I'm still happy that we ended the day green. I just know that this could have been a much larger green day, and we could have been much better prepared, much more prepared for the red days that are surely going to come. What I did right. I showed more patience waiting for quality setups. I have been doing a better job at that. And I journaled after the trading day. I've been journaling every day, learning and growing from my mistakes, and also from what I do right. So that's been helping out a whole lot. What key lessons I'm learning? Patience is key. Waiting for good setups is key. And then once you get in, waiting for those setups to work. I'm learning that patience is really key when it comes to trading. Comments, thoughts for the day. This is something that I read recently that I really liked. Take away the dross from silver, and it will go to the silversmith for jewelry. Take away the wicked from before the king, and his throne will be established in righteousness. Proverbs 24, 4-5. Basically what it's talking about in these verses is just getting rid of the bad stuff. Taking the bad stuff out, and the situation will be a whole lot better because of it. This is really applicable in every area of your life, but as well as trading. With trading, if I can take away the bad setups, the bad trades that I have, and just keep the good ones, I'll be profitable. So I've been trying to apply this in a lot of areas of my life, but also in trading. Just trying to be patient, trying not to take those bad setups that usually end up losers for me, and just waiting for those good setups to present themselves and then taking those. Subscriber count, 246 now. We have gained 1 subscriber since the last video. Bam. Welcome to the team. Happy to have you. We're growing at a slow and steady rate. Thank you all for watching the video. Thank you all for supporting me, for watching this content. I hope you all are having a good weekend, and I hope your trading is going well. That's it for this video. If you want to leave a comment, that'd be great. I love seeing y'all's comments. I appreciate you taking the time to leave them, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.